In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record overpayments and supplier refunds in Xero. This is an essential skill for anyone managing business finances who needs to keep an accurate record of their transactions. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident navigating through Xero to manage overpayments and ensure your accounts are accurate and up to date. Let's begin at the home dashboard in Xero. The first thing you're going to do is look for the reconcile button, which is usually prominently displayed. Click on that, and it will take you to the page where your transactions are waiting to be matched or reconciled with your bank statements. This step is crucial because it allows us to identify and accurately record any overpayments or supplier refunds that may have occurred. Once you're on the reconciliation page, your next task is to review the listed transactions carefully. Keep an eye out for the particular transaction that you've identified as an overpayment. This can often be spotted by looking for discrepancies between the amount paid and what was actually owed. After locating the transaction in question, you'll want to click on the Edit Details link. Doing so opens up a new window where you can adjust the transaction details. Here's where you'll make sure to accurately categorize it as an overpayment. Xero makes this part simple with a drop-down menu labeled Spent As. Click on it, and from the options provided, select Overpayment. By setting this label, Xero understands the nature of this transaction and handles it accordingly in your books. At this point, you'll need to fill in any remaining required details of the transaction. This typically includes information like the date of the overpayment, the total overpaid amount, and a brief description that might be helpful for future reference. Being thorough here ensures that you have a clear record for anyone reviewing your accounting records, whether it be yourself in a few months, a colleague, or an auditor. Once you have entered all the necessary details, it's time to save your work. Simply click the Save button, and Xero will record the transaction as an overpayment. And just like that, you're done. Reflecting on what we've achieved, recording overpayments and supplier refunds in Xero doesn't have to be daunting. With this process, you ensure that your financial records accurately reflect your transactions, reducing errors and giving you a clear picture of your financial situation. Whether you are regularly managing finances or just performing a periodic checkup, knowing how to handle these issues can immensely ease your workload. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember, keeping your records precise gives you better insights and control over your business finances. And now you know just how to do it confidently in Xero.